Hello,
Dude, I can't see
hello.
anything.
This is looking fine.
Break this door! Break this door! Break this door,
I mean,
dude!
I don't know how it
This
sounds,
game's
but
fucked up.
the PNG tuber model looks kind of good. I don't know. I kind of learned this program like in 3 days, I think, 2 3 days, and the I kind of don't like it because it's really in the end it's missing so many features that any kind of
Shut
single
my computer!
any
I think I
kind
shut my
of
computer! I think I shut my computer now.
actual program
I
would
opened the power
have.
menu.
Like rigging in this program is kind of agony because you can't
Dude,
even
what? How do you...
choose the
I quit.
numbers. You have to
I quit this
slide them
game.
off, and you can't even select the whole model and move it around. You just have to rely on zoom and placement of your window on OBS. And this is basically a live 2D
Yeah,
replacement just
yeah.
because it has uh, lip sync tracking, and it tracks your mouse movements for how you control your play.
Uh,
That these are good features, don't get me wrong, but I think they need
Stop pretending.
uh, this is
This is gonna be a pain in
too
the ass. All
amateur
right, so I'm at
for my taste.
445 and almost
I
700.
really much prefer light
So I'm right
2D
here.
over
I'm like
the,
right here. I just gotta go kind of pull it this
I
way.
don't know, maybe I
Just
am
navigate through here.
too used to light 2D that getting used to a new program is really
Holy
hard.
shit! Stop! 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 Stop!
But
Stop!
this program is not something that
What
you
the
can
fuck are you talking
replace
about, dude?
light 2D with. Don't get me wrong, light 2D, getting light 2D is
All right, 540, 690,
expensive.
40,
You are not earning
690. I'm like right
a
here. Hey,
really good amount as an artist online. You shouldn't be relying on
there you go. And then once I hit about
getting
755,
light
okay.
3D to do your work. But this thing is twelve
Oh, thank God.
dollars, and
Good.
I think it's
611,
uh,
750. 610, 750. 610,
I'm gonna be honest,
7.
it's
Okay, so I'm like right
asking
here.
for a little too much for
What is it
what
again? 828.
like it has so many UI issues and really inconvenient to use. Like I can barely make a model. Like I mean, it looks good, and the thinking is really good in my opinion. And I have never had this uh,
like, I started to like
this much
look
of
this
an
way, and
good
this
lip
eye,
syncing experience with
this eye, I went like, I went reverse cross, I
VTube
went frog eye for a second.
Studio. Was
I went like this. I was like about to be
yeah,
like,
I didn't have
am I in the
very
right
good
spot?
lip
And it came
syncing
out.
experience with
I saw
Light
like
3D
this
just
and this
because
at the
I
same
don't
time.
have a
So
webcam
check
and
this
I
out.
use laptop webcam. And when I try to use my phone's selfie camera, it's just limited to 5 minutes,
I was looking at
and
my
it's
phone or
only
something,
good
and I
for
heard the
testing
sound and then
purposes.
saw
But I really can't rely on stuff
it.
like that. I
Look
just
at
need
that
a
reaction time, man. Like, Jesus.
webcam for this. But overall,
Look over.
this lip syncing feature is really good in my opinion. And the thing about this program is, if you go to a game like a game that uses mouse to control camera, I will show you in a second. Ignore
Where are the other
the
cookies?
JERMA clips. I'm sorry, but they're
Relax. Holy
keeping
shit,
me
dude. Are you kidding
alive.
me? This is not even scary. Did I just fake that? No, I really
Uh,
didn't. I swear to God. But
or,
like, that was way over. I haven't played a scary game in a long time.
let me just show you
Ah! Ah! Ah!
how this
What
is
happened?
not
What the fuck was that? I didn't do
really good
that.
at
Why did my light just
uh,
do that? Why did the lights just go out? I'm not.
streaming
Am I? Look at my hand.
games like
Why
Genshin
did the
Impact
lights just turn off?
that
Why
uses
did the
camera,
lights just turn off?
mouse camera, because when you start getting your mouse locked in to the camera, as you can see, I am frozen.
That
I can't
that's
even
scarier
look,
than the game.
and it kind of
Is the
removes
house
all
haunted?
the
Did somebody hack my computer and like hack my house and turn my lights off in my house?
all
I feel
the
like that was somebody here.
changing, facing your
Wait.
status.
I don't think I should go
Uh,
that way.
you can
Why is that even scary?
change
Like,
the
I mean, it's weird that
way
there's a
you can.
like if I saw Santa,
If
I'd be
they
like, oh,
could make
I'm
a
safe. Santa will protect me
mouse tracking
from the fucking scary monster that's here.
based
I wouldn't be scared
on
of Santa.
momentum of your mouse when you are in a window,
All right, do I have to
window,
run?
when you're
What the fuck did you get over there?
locked
What
in
happened? What are you talking about?
space. I think you should be able to
I hear shit.
press the
Okay.
way your mouse
Okay, it's like a
moves, but
face.
not the
What do I? What,
position.
what do I do? I don't
So
get it. What do I do?
I'm pretty sure they can make a
What the fuck are you doing over here, man? Relax. I'm fine.
tracking that
Hey, relax. I'm
works
27.
on
When I started, I was 27 years old. By the time I'm 36, everything was okay. Just don't worry, man. Relax.
games in where your mouse is locked in. Anyways, when you
Okay.
get to the menus,
All right. Fuck out of here.
mouse still tracks.
Oh, it's behind me.
I think
Oh my god. Get up the
it's
slide.
really good
Come
actually,
on, kid.
but the inconvenience of how I have to slide down the
Get up the
every
slide, kid.
single parameter that
Oh,
I
come on.
want
He's
to
fucking
change
close.
is really bad. I really don't want to see that
Now
in
in game, Fortnite, Boba
any
Fett, just a
any
simple
kind
man
of
making his way through the galaxy like his father before him. Available in the item shop.
any kind of
Okay. Why is that here? Why did that pop up?
kind of
I got a Fortnite
pain
hat.
in the ass, to put it simply.
Ah!
Anyways, that's yes. This is my
Go! Go!
review of
Go! 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 Go!
kind of a review of what I think of
I know it's just sound
HONK,
effects, but holy shit, it sucks.
with JERMA clips in the background. I'm not. I can't bother to get them to mute them for the recording. Anyways, thank you for
By the way,
this
Boba
program
Fett's available in
needs a
Fortnite.
lot of things, but
What time are you getting out?
and I am
Gabriel,
willing
want me to
to
pick you up?
help
Yeah, it's too far to walk. No, I'll get a ride.
the things that is needed.
Oh.
Uh, what is needed, because
Yeah,
the
sure, pick me up. Why not?
user input is most important thing
As if I'll be
of them
conked
all,
out
in
by
my
then.
opinion. And
I'll have a beer
as
for you later.
someone
Have
who
fun.
used Light2D, turning this software into a
Okay,
Light2D
yeah, that's gotta.
alternative for who can afford that good face tracking and who want to double on
What do I do?
thing, I think this is a really great
I can't leave the
first
store right
standing
now.
point. But the way his
Power drill
program is
massacre.
kind of hard for me to, you know,
Oh! I could
completely
even
switch
$10 on
over
Honk
to
5.
honk.
Thanks.
Can make
Ah.
and YouTubers like this, and
Right here.
this is I really don't like it's inconvenience. But if developer is willing to listen to
Let me see. Let me
feedback,
see this person.
and
Hello, hi, welcome. There's a customer. How are you?
I kind of don't have any hopes for that since
Hey,
the last update has been made. And let me actually check. Let me close
with
Genshin.
your tongue? I clean the bathroom. Is there cleaning like a? Vent?
Get the right.
Explore. Okay. How do I clean the
I
toilet?
always
Go back inside.
to make a VTuber
He's
in three
blind?
steps.
There's something. Lick the toilet.
I'll be
Lick the
honest,
broom, you.
this thing has really so much potential, and making it down to make a VTuber in three steps is kinda. It's a really good marketing strategy. I'm sorry about the job. Sorry. I think I need to close it down. While your characters making different noises, export the mods as separate files, import into home. This is pretty easy. This is pretty easy. But when you come to the features, improved pixel perfect photo, it's okay. Blinking, I think this is most basic thing. You should be able to do that. Eyes as follow cursor. This one is pretty good when it works, but it can't work in FPS games or games that lock your mouse in. Graphical save button. Is this just Control S, just saving the project? Undo history. I mean, they're all done. Shortcuts to swap characters and options. Yeah, 6 2022. Like, I'm not sure if I can get feedback from the developer, but I guess I will be trying to reach out to the developer. I'm sorry if you are watching this developer, and for the JERMA clips, but I hope we um if you are willing to do this, you can get this program into best alternative for best budget alternative for Lighty 2D, and how do I say this? And YouTube Studio. And since I'm talking about them since they are the industry giants. Everyone uses them. Like I haven't seen anyone that's using something different. And no comment. And this is the most important thing that makes me wanna support this because it's really important for people to be able to express themselves and uh, even though they don't have the get a good webcam for a tracking because VTuber tracking requires a lot of preparation and I know that because I have made multiple VTuber models and I can't get them to track myself really in a good way without using an iPhone or getting a better lighting. I try to don't get me wrong. I tested both getting an iPhone and getting a better lighting. Getting a better lighting lets me down in the way that my computer laptop webcam is not that good. So I'm not sure. I don't think I have managed to get best out of that feature. And I have a NVIDIA graphics card, so it should have a better tracking experience, but it's bad. I don't wanna make it long any more long. I just saw this. I made a character with HONK at me on Twitter. I want to see it. I hope you can look at it. I will be going to Twitter and making sure I add you for this. And I will just make a video showcasing my model too. So I will I will kind of try to find a game that uh, uses doesn't lock your mouse. So I will try my best. I hope I can help something to the developer. I hope you are willing to get this get better. It has a lot of potential and I have seen PNG Tuber Plus and other programs. They have great physics and stuff, but their tracking doesn't come close to this. Like it doesn't like 2D models. So like I really wish you can get to listen us. Anyways, this is my rant about Honk, the PNG tuber tool. I I hope you will have a great rest of the day. So that's about it. See ya.